Hello, we are going to go through how to add product images onto a template. Let's go to this quote and add a product. Now let's right-click and click View Product Details. Now click Documents and then New, and then add your image in here. Let's go back to the Details tab and click on Images. Then in the drop-down you will see all of the pictures you have added to Documents. Choose which one you like, set it as default, and hit Save. Now let's save a Quote with Images template. To do this, go to Tools and then Print Template Editor v3. Scroll down until you see Quotes and then scroll across until you see Quotes with Images. Then click Save and give it a name. Let's close the editor and go back to our quote. Now click Print and find the template we created. You can now see the product image on the template.